everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you one of my favorite toners, and it is none other than the apple cider vinegar and green tea toner. For those of you who don't know what a toner is, it is a lotion or a wash designed to cleanse and reduce the appearance of pores. It also moisturizes, protects and refreshes the skin, among other things. I love this toner because it is a natural astringent, which means that it tightens the skin and it is going to shrink pores. And it balances the skin's pH, and also it contains alpha hydroxy acids which gently exfoliate the skin. To make apple cider vinegar toners, you have to dilute the vinegar. So I am going to be using the green tea to dilute the vinegar so that it actually does not dry my skin out so much. And here are a few ratios to use depending on your skin type. Before we move on, if you're new to my channel, my name is Anthea and my channel is about simple skincare routines and simple tips on how to do your own makeup and how to look after your hair. If that's the kind of thing you're interested in, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be the first to receive updates from my channel. Because I have combination skin, I am going to be using 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 parts green tea. We're going to start by making a cup of green tea and then letting it cool down completely. When you're choosing apple cider vinegar to use for your skin or hair, choose the one that is labeled with the mother, like this one. It's right there with the mother. If you don't know what that is, or if you don't see it, there should be a few particles. There should be particles at the bottom. Brownish particles at the bottom. That is the best apple cider vinegar that you can use for your skin or your hair or to ingest. I am going to be adding 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into a spray bottle. And then I will add to it 1/2 cup of the green tea that I just made and cooled down. I am going to go ahead and add 3 drops of tea tree oil to my toner. Tea tree is very, very good for eliminating acne. So I am just going to go ahead and add 3 drops to my toner. Shake it a bit and it's ready to go. To use this toner, I am going to just spray a bit onto a cotton pad and wipe my face after I have washed it with a facial wash. This toner is guaranteed to leave your skin more radiant and healthy. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, especially till the end. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share, leave me a comment below, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. See you next Friday. Have yourselves a lovely weekend.